Hello everyone. So today I was thinking we understand English, right? But when it comes to speaking, we get stuck. We know words, we understand sentences, but we don't feel confident to speak. So this video is not for complete beginners. This is for those who can understand English but hesitate to speak. And if you are one of them, you are absolutely welcome here. Today, I'm not just teaching, I'm going to practice with you. So stay with me and speak with me. What we will do in this video, first show you a real conversation, then we will learn some easy words. Then we will practice together and finally I'll teach you a very powerful method called shadowing. Okay, imagine two friends, Nina and Tina. So Nina is saying here, "Hey Tina, what are you doing?" Tina is saying here, "Hey, I just finished my work." Nina, "Oh nice, are you free now?" Tina, "Yeah, a little. Why?" Nina, "I was thinking to go out for a walk." Tina, "That sounds good. I need a break." Nina, "Same here. I've been sitting all day." Tina, "Let's go then. What time?" Nina, "Give me 10 minutes." Tina, "Okay, I'll be ready." Now let's understand some simple words. Finished, completed something. Free, not busy. Break, short rest. Been sitting, staying in one place for long. Be ready, prepared to go. Don't try to memorize everything, just understand and use slowly. Now let's practice together. First round, you are Nina, I am Tina. So when I speak as Tina, you reply as Nina. Ready? I just finished my work. That's your turn. Yeah, a little. Why? That sounds good. I need a break. Let's go then. What time? Okay, I'll be ready. Now we switch roles. You are Tina, I'm Nina. Ready? Hey Tina, what are you doing? Oh nice, are you free now? I was thinking to go out for a walk. Same here, I've been sitting all day. Give me 10 minutes. See, this is how you can practice even when you are alone. Now let me explain shadowing in a very easy way. Shadowing means you listen and speak at the same time, not after, with me. Just like your shadow follows you, you follow the speaker. This helps you speak naturally without overthinking. Let's do it together. Don't stop. Hey Tina, what are you doing? I just finished my work. I need a break. I have been sitting all day. Hey Tina, what are you doing? I just finished my work. I need a break. I have been sitting all day. Hey Tina, what are you doing? I just finished my work. I need a break. I have been sitting all day. To be honest, you don't need hours to learn English. Just 5 minutes daily like this is enough. Start small but stay consistent. If you're practicing with me, come and I'm improving and I'll see you in the next video.